Rainforest Rescue by Paul Shipton.
Hello, my name is Ben.
Hello, my name is Rosie.
This is Grandpa.
This is Grandpa's van. It's fantastic.
Ben, Rosie's brother. Rosie, Ben's sister. Grandpa. Clunk, Grandpa's robot. Alice, Rosie's friend.
I'm hungry,
says Grandpa.
What fruit do we have?
We have apples and bananas,
says Clunk.
Here you are.
No, thank you,
says Grandpa.
I want to eat my favourite fruit today.
Rosie is in the kitchen with her friend Alice.
What's your favourite fruit, Grandpa?
asks Rosie. Grandpa walks to the door.
We can go and find it. Come with me.
Can I come too? asks Ben. In the van, Grandpa says to Clunk,
Let's go.
Where, Grandpa? asks Ben. Do you want to go to the store? No, says Grandpa. Clunk starts the van and drives.